Dear audience, dear watchers, dear subscribers, and dear parents, hope you will be fine in the high state of Iman and health. Today, the topic and the lecture will be on car parts with their names. As you are watching that, there are pictures available, and there is a particular name, and we will discuss it in detail. I'm going to start the pictures from where the letter car is written, where the word car is written, where the letter C is written. So from that side I'm going to the onward. So the first one, there is a steering. So we use it to drive, to change the direction, to take a particular move, and we use it to move the vehicle. So the second one, that is gear lever. We use it to change the gears. Okay, so we use it particularly. The next one is gas pedal. The gas pedal is used by Americans, or excavator, that is used by the British, and race is used by Pakistani English, or in Pakistani English. So gas pedal, and then engine. And engine is a particular that is available inside the bonnet. So after that, tire, and after tire, spark plug. So the next is suspension. We use suspension, that is particularly used to absorb the shocks. The next one is disc brake. The next one is oil filter. Disc brakes, when you put the brake, so they work, and disc brakes work to stop the car. Oil filter. The next one is battery, that is particularly used as batteries in Americans. So British also use batteries, but in our Pakistan English, or English Pakistan, we use it battery. Clutch, clutch clutch. And then wiper, wiper. The next one is side mirror, SIDEMIRROR, side mirrors. Then rear view means where the mirror that give you the rear view, or you can watch the behind. Sun visor, that we use when the sun rays are coming in front of us and directly to the eyes, so we use it particularly. The next is grill, GRILL, grill. The next one is gear shift, that is a particular monogram or hologram which is available on gear lever. Gear shift. The next one is exhaust pipe. It is in British and American English, but in our Pakistani English or Indian, we use it as a silencer. The next one is bumper. Bumper, BUMPER, bumper. The next one is car hood, CARHOOD, car hood. The next one is taillight, TAIL, tail light. The next one is bonnet, or Americans use it as front hood, or car hood. And we also used, and British use it bonnet, and in English Pakistan it is also used as bonnet. The next one is car horn. Button usually available on steerings. That is a particular word, and that is a particular thing. available in your car. The next one is fender, which is available usually on the right and left side and the upper side of the wheels. Windshield, the front shield, which is available in between you and bonnet or car hood, so that is windshield. So now we will discuss quickly the spellings of every gadget. Steering, steering, steering. The next one, gear level, gearlever, gear lever. The next one is gas pedal or gas pedal, gaspedal, gas pedal. The next one is engine, engine, engine. The next one is tire, tire, tire. The next one is tire. The next one is spark plug, spark, spark, plug, plug, spark plug. And the next one is suspension, suspension, suspension. A gas pedal and accelerator or accelerators are equal, and gas pedal used in American English and accelerator used in British English, and accelerator also used in Pakistani English. So disc brake, disc brake, disc brake, disc, disc brake, disc brake, disc brake. The next one is oil filter, oil filter, filter, oil filter. The next one is oil filter. The next one is oil filter, oil filter. So the next one is battery, 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 battery. The next one is clutch, clutch, clutch. The next one is wiper, wiper, wiper. The next one is side mirror, side, mirror, side mirror. This lecture is particularly also given for, also offering for the private teachers. They are working in smart private schools, in some sort of franchised franchised systems. For example, Beacon House or Beaconian institutes like Shwefat, Greens, the educators, and the allied schools, and so on. So that's a particular model lesson for them. Side mirror, after wiper, the next one is side mirror, side, mirror, mirror, side mirror. REAR, rear, VIEW, view, rear view. Sun visor. The next one is sun visor, sun, VISOR, sun visor. The next one is grill, 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 grill. The next one is gear shift, GEAR, gear, SHIFT, shift, gear shift. That's usually a monogram or a logo or a hologram. The next one is exhaust pipe, EXAAUST PIPE, pipe, exhaust pipe. The next one is bumper, BUMPER, bumper. The next one is car hood, CARHOOD. The next one is tail light, TAIL, tail light. The lecture you are watching on my official channel, English channel, Mentor English Professor M. Raza. The channel handle is Professor MA Raza. So the next one is bonnet, 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 and the next one is car horn, CARHORN, car horn. The next one is fender, FENDER, fender. The next one is windshield, WINSHIELD. windshield, windshield, windshield. I'm clutching the D, or I'm silent. I'm doing to silent the D as to particularly pronounce the Americans pronunciation windshield, windshield. So and in our and also in Americans and British accents, that is particularly said windshield, but in uh, Pakistani accent, that is called windshield, windshield. So windshield. So today we have got a lot of vocabulary, and that's a particular vocabulary about car parts names, or the particular vocabulary about cars, and the particular about vocabulary about the parts of the car. So let me go now, before we will write back with the next vocabulary lesson or vocabulary lecture, or with the next lectures. So yeah, let me go now and say with me, do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Have a good day.